Hello, everybody. Here is my Jasmine. Follow up to the video yesterday that she had. Oh my goodness. Last night, all night, she puked 5, 6 times, I think. And then the fever was like up to like 40. Like, I don't know if I sleep last night. This is my zombie.
My cheeseburger.
This is my zombie mood. Anyway, so
That's my cheeseburger. Give me my cheeseburger. Give me.
at least she's doing good now.
Hey.
So before
Okay, that's
she went to bed, like around, I think it was 8:30. She was sleeping already, but it was too hot, really, really warm. So I keep putting cold towel. I got an ice pack for her just to cool her down. And around 2 o'clock in the morning, she was shivering already. So I strip up all her clothes and try to not to put a blanket on it, and then just keep putting towel all over her body just to cool her down.
Yep, this is how I would chicken it.
Yeah, he did, hey? And then
And I have a wiggly tooth.
And then she was away a week she was puking, and then I gave her another Advil just for her fever, because the fever was still hot, and it was like high. It was like up to 40 already. So I think I gave her Advil twice last night, so after 4 hours. And then she puked pretty much every week up, she puked. And then I just keep putting a cold cloth and an ice pack just all over her body and her head. And that is it really helps. And now she's good now, not warm anymore. She's eating, which is good, because last night she didn't eat anything. It was just drinking water, and you had a little bit of orange juice and lemonade. That was it, right? How was your feeling last night? It was bad. Yeah, it was headache and what else? Fever, cough.
Oh,
Yeah,
and runny nose.
and runny nose. It wasn't feeling good. It was thumbs up or thumbs down. Two thumbs down. Oh, one thumbs up, one thumbs down. Okay, so today is the thumbs up. What is today? How are you feeling now? Good. Oh my goodness. Whew. Mommy didn't even sleep. I don't know if I sleep, but yeah. And so that was just, oh no, you know what? I gave her Advil first, and then early in the morning, around 6 o'clock, I give her Tylenol, because I have a little Tylenol left. Because my husband was working night shift, so I was, as always, mommy's always up all night. Just you can't sleep because you don't know what's gonna happen, because the fever was just really high, and she was shivering. So you just wanna, because her breathing, it was really fast. It wasn't like really normal breathing. It was really fast for a few hours. So that's why I was worried, because like I might need to take her to the hospital. So hi, baby. Can you say hi?
Give me that eye. Give me those teeth. Nope. Give me.
So today I'm gonna go look. We have two pharmacy today. We have two pharmacy here in town. So I'm gonna look. Thanks, babe. Up. Oh, is that for mommy or what? Thanks. So I'm gonna look if they have medicine, because my Advil, it is probably it's just a couple teaspoon, and then my Tylenol is almost gone too. So I have to look today. I hope I can find something, and for cough medicine too. Because I asked a friend of mine, she's on the way to Edmonton right now, so she dropped by in Edson. There is no kids medicine in there, so it is like, if you're a mom, it's really Like, you really feel worried because, like, what's going on? There is no medicine. And I heard some of that, well, aside from London that I went yesterday, that they have to control one at a time every customer. So you can only allowed to buy one medicine for the kids. And then I thought that was just the London drugs itself, but it looks like it's happening everywhere now. So this is really alarming, and this is really, like, if you are a mom, if you have a kid, this is, you're gonna feel worried about this. But I'm praying for the best. I'm praying for that this is not gonna be like a long run. I hope this is just this time. Well, especially the weather here too. Our weather, it is cold, and it's changing, and it's changing to cold. So of course that, and we have a long summer. Like, we have a really, probably more than 6 months of summer. So the change of
Can I look at
temperature.
my iPad again?
You want to watch your iPad? Okay. So we'll let you watch for a while, for a little bit, okay?
Okay.
But you don't watch that one for a long time because you might gonna have a headache again. Okay. Okay. And yeah, it's scary. But anyway, I'm gonna update you guys later again if I can find something. I hope I can. Anyway, have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching. And there you go, she's feeling better. Yeah, thanks God. Did you pray to Papa God last night? Yeah, you did. Aww. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and shoot the goose. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and always stay happy.
And
Rise up.
And
Be
right,
kind.
be
And
kind.
be kind.
Be kind.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.